referee. Second referee, Mr. Philip Sison, international referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from our Air Spikers of the Philippine Air Force. Let's start with jersey number 1, Airwoman, second class, Rhea Dimaculangan. Wearing jersey number 6, Airwoman, second class, Mayan Pantino. At number 9, Airwoman, second class, Judy Caballejo. At number 10, Airwoman, second class, Micah Ortiz. Wearing jersey number 12, Airwoman, second class, Joy Cases. And at number 11, Staff Sergeant Liza De Ramos. Libero number 5, Airwoman, second class, Mayan Banbaseda. Head coach, Mr. Staff Sergeant Clarence Ayi Esteban. Calling on our Lady Troopers of the Philippine Army. Let's start with jersey number 1, Private First Class, Jeannie Sabas. At number 5, Private First Class, Mary Jean Balcer. Wearing jersey number 8, Private First Class, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Wearing jersey number 14, Private Nerissa Bautista. At number 13, Ms. Rachel Ann Dakis. And Libero number 15, Ms. Christine Agno. Team captain is Corporal Tina Salat. Head coach, Sergeant Rico De Guzman. This is game 2.
Pataasan ng rango. Ang labanan dito. Si Corporal Tina Salak ang huling tinawag, syempre, according to rank yan. Staff Sergeant Liza De Ramos naman ang starting quicker dun sa kabila as we give you game number 2 of the semifinals. Ngayon, nanalo Air Force nung first game nila ng first set. Magandang struggle nila doon, pero biglang naubusan sila nung next 3 sets.
Oo, kaya ang malaking question dyan ngayon, no, is if they can sustain. Kasi importante yan, maganda yung umpisa mo, maganda rin yung pagtatapos mo.
Yun, ang kailangan nila rito. But again, they're starting with Liza De Ramos. It worked against Ateneo. Did not work in game number 1. So titignan natin where they're going to go with this. Kay Coach Aying Esteban, as we are underway, Tinasalaki may unang set. Rhea Dimaculangan, kailangan itulak kaagad. Dimaculangan, nilabanan kaagad si Jeannie Sabas. And Tin Agno, namigay na skyball. So long rally kaagad tayo sa panimula pa lang natin. Sabi ni Mike Ortiz, tira kaagad tayo. Jovelyn Gonzaga will do the setting. Dakis adjusting. And it's dug up. So long rally, wala pa po tayong puntos. Kamusta naan?
Oh, look at this. Mahaba-haba siya.
Kaya nga nagkakagusto. Kamusta na kaya?
Kamusta na? Makapit-kapit muna.
Hindi pa rin makalusot kasi Mike Ortiz. Papunta ulit kay Dakis. Dakis, yun, dinaan sa kamay ni Rhea.
Finally gets that point.
And again, Rachel Ann Dakis is not injured, ha? Although may tape siya sa kanyang balikat, she is not injured, kaya naupo siya ng set 3 and set 4 nung kanilang unang laban. Yung mga naka-flash daw dyan, ayan, kitang-kita, ayan, patayin mo ang flash, iha. Napatukan pa yung tapi.
Actually, kasi yung mga flash, it distracts.
Yes.
The player, yung mga biglang tingin dyan, ano?
Right. Dimaculangan, masyado malapit sa net. Joy Cases, nakagawa.
Ito yung mga games na maganda panoorin. Because you see a pool of very experienced players. In this case, meron kang isang nasa side ng Philippine Air Force, isang side ng Philippine Army. Lahat ng utakan, gulangan,
right.
Makikita mo
dito. That's the beauty of the open conference naman talaga eh. Nakikita mo, all-star teams have been formed. Salak. At si Gonzaga tinulak using her right hand. Masyado malakas. 2-1 Air Force. If it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Rhea Dimaculangan, a lock to win Best Setter Award sa tingin ko. Sino ba mga kalaban niya dyan sa Best Setter?
Well, marami-rami tayong no? Si Tina Salak, for
Tina
one.
Salak is one, yeah.
Si Ruby De Leon
Ruby
also
De Leon,
performed very well.
Sa Cagayan Valley naman, either si Giselle C or si Chisae. Oh. Napalakas ang serve doon, hindi Maculangan. We are tied at 2. So Jeannie Sabas now to serve para sa Philippine Army. Axel is the official outfitter, the Shakey's V-League. So lahat ng nag-tweet kasi ako kanina, nanalo ang ang Cagayan Valley. Nalagay ko in 5 sets.
In 4.
In 4. Na-typo ako doon. So sa lahat ng mga nakapuna, O, pasensya na po, tao lang.
Pero naman kasi, yung pagka-exciting nung game at kung
Oo.
ang hinaba nung fourth set, para siyang fifth set.
Hindi, pero pag tip set talaga, Seb Sarmenta country na yun.
Di ba ikaw?
Hindi na. Proven na eh.
Hiniyakan na lang.
Ayun ang totoo. Yun ang salarin. Caballero gets through. 3-all. Ganda rin laro ni Judy nung game number 1.
Oo.
So it is now tied at 3. Micah Ortiz to serve. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's B League. Micah Ortiz running for MVP as well. And best spiker. Dakis, front runner for MVP. Yan ang hindi nakukuha ni Rachel na award. Conference MVP.
Pero yun nga ang maganda dito siguro sa attitude ni Daki. Like what we mentioned during the pre-game, hindi siya all about the individual award. Kumbaga, bonus na yun.
Yun talaga. Kasi nag-usap kami ng matagal after game 1. Sabi niya, she will trade any of the awards basta manalo lang ang Philippine Army ng kampyonato dito. There's the running attack and that block by Nerissa Bautista goes out. So puntos para kay Cases. Ano ba dito? Kapaan pa nangyayari dito sa ating first set.
We haven't seen yung mga plays na normally na-execute nila. Ngayon, puro sure attack.
Lalo na ito si Cases, pag nakita niya medyo off yung blocker ng konti, padadaanin niya sa kamay. Now, Cases slowly developing that jump float. Quick set now for Ging Balse. Dimac on the back set now. Caballejo. Dakis is there. Salak iniwan para kay Balse. Dug up there by Cases. Di makulangan. Pantino. Malakas.
Very clear. Basang lalabas yung bola.
Well, actually, Pantino did score 15 points in game number 1 as well. Caballero had 16. So, sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger katolang gamitin. Proudly Philippine-made. Gonzaga, of course, was player of the game nung game number 1 with her game-high 18 points. Caballero turned back there by Bautista. Caballero will now set para kay Mayan Pantino. Gonzaga. Salak! Line dunk for Tina Salak.
Making the points come easily here for the Philippine Army.
Oo.
Ang maganda pa kay Tina because of the height. Kita mo yung tusok ng bola at saka yung reach din niya.
Alam na rin ng blockers ng Air Force. Okay, lobos yung kaliwang kamay, block na tayo. Wala na, too late na.
Pero yung unang position ni Tina, it would seem like kung ikaw yung kalaban, magsiset pa rin.
Oo. Dakis keeping it alive. Bautista. Inangati Caballero para kay Pantino. Nakaabang naman doon si Tina Salak. Caballero. Bautista. Salak. Sending it deep. Balmaceda is there. Di makulagan sa kabila ngayon. Pantino off the block. Haba na naman ang rally. Salak. Bautista. Cross-court bomb.
Good read by Bautista. Talagang iniwas sa kamay ng blockers.
Yung sa isang lugar siya nakatingin pero yung tira niya pumunta sa kabilang panig. Tingnan mo to.
Look at that. Nice cross-court hit.
Well, again, si Bautista pa, ma-down the line ba to? Mas ma-cross-court siya di ba?
Pero itong si Bautista, dalawa yung tira niya. Talagang down the line and cross-court. But in that case, kita-kita yung butas dun sa kanan. Right. Hindi niya pinadaan.
Balse, dinaan sa lakas. Hahabulin niya ni Balmaceda, who has been very impressive as the libero of the Philippine Air Force. Salak sending it to Nene. Salak again going deep. Dimac. Caballero on the drop shot. At na-traffic doon si Agno at saka ito si Salak.
Nagkailangan si Agno at Salak. Nakita ni Tina, papunta si Agno. So, hinayaan niyang kunin ni Agno para makaset siya.
Sabi naman ni Agno, mas mataas rango mo sa akin.
Ikaw na lang.
Talagang yan ang mga situation na you wish it doesn't happen to you.
Isa lang yung kinulang doon Walang nagsabi ng mind. Pareho sila papunta doon sa bola.
Bautista did not get that across. So it is now 7-6. Unti-unti na naman nakakahabol itong Philippine Air Force. So now Judy Caballero. Sharp serve. Dakis. Salak combination. Bautista. Wow. Balmaceda. And Balmaceda gives up the free ball. Gonzaga. Salak on the dump. Balmaceda is everywhere. Here's Pantino now. Dug up by Agno. Gonzaga. Bautista. Cross-court again.
That's same sweet spot. Walang ad for one. Pero sabi naman ng coaches is to forget about the game and focus on the game today. And for today, they came prepared going up against the Lady Troopers. Ang sabi nila, defense daw ang kailangan nila for today. Especially, they have to work double time on their blocking because they're going up a very strong offensive team. Kailangan din hindi mawawala ang communication nila inside the court. For the Lady Troopers, although they already had win in game number 1, they would definitely want to finish this off in just 2 games. And as we can see that for the Lady Troopers also, they will be playing with one less man today with Joanne Bunag. Although suited up, will not be seeing any action because she's recovering from the flu. But despite this, the Philippine Army is so confident they will be able to play a good game. Anna Noel?
Thank you very much, Ate Ivy. Pero alam naman natin si Joanne Bunag did play well in game number 1, replacing Dakis in the lineup. May 10 points pang naitala doon si Joanne Bunag as Jeannie Sabas is able to drop that in.
So ngayon ang magiging lang here for the Lady Troopers, yung pamalit. Oo.
Well, si Joanne Bunag, actually dalawa pwesto nilalaro niya na open spiker or panggitna.
Or gitna.
Well, we see Michelle Carolino in the lineup. Uy, may birthday greetings tayo mamaya para sa Philippine Army.
Oo nga.
As Nene Bautista scores on a service ace. Ano pa pwede natin kunan yung birthday girl dyan mamaya,
baka mapakain tayo niyan.
Happy birthday kay Dalia Cruz. Dalia Cruz, birthday.
Naghihintay kami ng pakain.
At kay Coach Rico, Dalia Cruz, birthday, di ba? So may pakain mamaya, di ba, Coach Rico? No. Oo lang na si Coach Rico. Hop, Tina Salak, getting lucky. So 11-7. Palitan ng tao early sub here as Jen Manzano will check in for Mayan Pantino. This Jen Manzano also playing with a knee injury. Ayan naman, ayan, Dalia Cruz. Happy birthday! Ayan, kaway-kaway, Dalia, kaway-kaway. Kaway-kaway.
Yung mukha ni Dalia.
Lahat kumaway, pwera si Dalia eh. Shasha Torres, si Michelle Carolino, or si Ratay, lahat kumaway, pwera si Dalia.
Hindi, ayaw niya magpakain.
Another service ace from Private Nene Bautista. And an early timeout now called by Coach Aying Esteban.
Sa likod. Di ba dapat yan, pag dito sa likod, pag lumabas sa ulo nyo, yung outside, yung pinakatansyahan dyan. Kasi ngayon, lumampas sa ulo nyo, nakadikit kayo dito, di inside. Ika tayo. Angat tayo, angat. Ikaw pinatang, ikaw na manita nila yung mga receipt. Kahit ang pumunod, ikunin mo ng kunin. Sa iniisip mo na ikaw na ito na. Angat tayo. Angat tayo.
Tignan ulit natin yung point of contention dun sa uling timeout na yun. Kailan ka ba out, kailan ka ba in? Ang lalalim naman kasi ng pwesto nitong mga to eh.
Medyo malaki yung naiiwang space din sa likod, ano? And it doesn't help na floater pa yung service ng Nene. Na last minute, the ball would drop.
Here's Di Makulangan, iniwan for Micah Ortiz. And that's actually the first point for Micah Ortiz sa laban na ito.
A lot is expected from Ortiz.
Right. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine made. Jen Manzano, De La Salle Dasmariñas, former captain, on the serve, Gonzaga. Hinasalak, going to Rachel Andakis. Dakis off the block, hindi matasakit ni Judy Caballero.
Right now, Philippine Army is doing a good job in keeping this lead.
And Rachel Andakis, look at this one again, doing a good job in keeping all of the hair clips together.
Walang nalalagyan.
Grabe, ma-overweight yung sa aeroplano. Pag ikililing yung, yung metal detector. Sa dami ng clip niya dyan. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Alam mo kung sino ganyan dati, si Bang, pero nabawasan na.
Hindi, ganito nga theory namin ni Noreen.
Mas may additional weight lang to kasi may ribbon yung clip
mamaya
niya.
pagkakunan ulit natin si Rachel. Ito yung theory namin ni Noreen. Nagsawa na si Bang Pineda sa negosyo niyang clip
Sinasa niya
na
dito.
franchise. Pinili naman ni Rachel Andakis yung franchise. So ngayon, si Rachel, complete collection of clips nasa kanya.
Mas mabigat nga lang yung kanya, yung difference. Hindi plain may ribbon.
Uy, may bago, mga bagong addition to the franchise yan. Here's Di Makulangan now, lifting it up. Cases, double block ang nakaabang. Cases, sending it to nobody. Dakis against Caballero. And here is Agnos, sending it to Rachel once again. Lusot na naman kay Micah Ortiz. Ayan Hindi na uhulog. Yan sasama mga ribbon.
may ribbon.
Ay, yung mga clip. May isa, tagilid na yung isa eh. Kapit na isa, baka mahulog na yan maya-maya eh.
Doon talaga nag-focus no? Let's take a
Oo.
look at this again. Off the block. Ayan, medyo nauna ng konti rin si Ortiz at nakaatras yung kamay niya.
Oo.
No? So pumasok yung bola.
So Rachel giving them a 5-point lead, itong Philippine Army. Sabas. Ganda ng serve. Dimac sa kabila. Judy. Nere Bautista. Salak. Balik ulit ni Dakis. And Dakis gets it off the check ball.
Oh, now the Philippine Air Force needs to regroup, organize themselves bago tuluyang lumayo ang score ng Philippine Army.
Ginny Sabas has been serving very well. Yan na naman. Service ace pa kasunod.
Look at that.
16-9. Philippine Army. Ginny Sabas.
Nakapunto 6,
Right.
scored 4 service aces already and 10 attack points as compared to Philippine Air Force na so far 7 attack points ka lang ang nagagawa.
Sabas. Patuloy ang kanyang magagandang serve. Balmaceda sending it to Caballero. Nakaabang naman doon si Gonzaga. Ortiz once again for Caballero. Over Gonzaga. Salak head to stretch. Gonzaga second ball.
And advantages of being a lefty positioned at the right side of the court. Look at this. Oh, tinaas lang ni Salak. Imbis na sinet ni Gonzaga went for that hit.
Again yung definition nun. Kaya lamang ang mga utility spiker na kaliwete. Kasi buong katawan nila nakatapat sa court. Diba? Kaya sa pag right-handed ka na utility spiker, which we see a lot kasi kukunti lang naman ang lefties sa mundo. Kaya sa Micah Ortiz is able to get that one off of Tina Salak. Katulad sa kabila, Judy Caballero yung kanilang utility spiker. Limited yung range mo.
The same way pag outside hitter ka, normally right-handed,
Right-handed,
yan, because the range is wider.
Here's Ortiz on a good serve. Here's Gonzaga now. Kept alive there by Caballero. Manzano lifts it up para dito kay Cases. Nakaabang naman si Gonzaga. Buhay pa rin. Caballero yung hulog. Nandun si Agno. Salak. Balses. Tinulak. Binuhay pa rin. And free ball given up by Manzano. Bautista sa likod. Here's Salak going to Gonzaga. And Manzano cannot stop that.
Nakikita natin yung balasa sa tao nitong si Tina Salak. Really giving each and every one a set.
And you have to watch it in slow motion to appreciate yung kagalingan ni Tina Salak sa distribution.
Kasi makikita mo, no, lahat ng tao sa harapan nakakakuha ng bola.
Well, ito na, remote control serve time from Rachel Andaki sa panahon ng tagulan. Iwasan ng deke, Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine made. Kamote sa reception, pero nakatira pa rin si Caballero. And there is a good block again for Jovelyn Gonzaga. The Bionic Guapa strikes again, 19-10, timeout Air Force.
Tapos tayo gumagalaw ko. Coverage ka to. Dapat nakasable lang sila. Ngayon, ball natin. Dapat naman natin minamadali. Dahil ba tapos muna natin dahan-dahan na walang 3 points dito. Kahit bilisan natin, walang 3 points. Puro 1 point lang dito. Dahan-dahan lang tayo. Pag minulog sa akin, biglain natin. Biglain natin. Ito, pwede dahan-dahan. Sabi ko, walang 3 points.
Wala naman talaga 3-point shot sa volleyball.
Oh.
Kahit 2-point shot, wala eh.
Kung meron, nag-fiesta na.
Back row attack, kaya bigyan natin ng 2 points pag tumira ka sa back row. Diba? Pero wala, sagana tuloy yung mga Dintin Santiago sa mga ganon. At a great block again, Jovelyn Gonzaga with the celebration afterwards. Again, Jovelyn Gonzaga, very underrated sa kanyang blocking. Ha?
Oh yeah.
Pero magaling. Now, Rachel Andakis. Remote control, may baterya. Meron din na konti, pero magaling lang talaga si Balmaceda. Here is Caballero. Salak. Gonzaga again.
And itong si Gonzaga already eyed her target prior to that approach.
Again, she is only 22 years old. Ha?
Imagine that.
Diba? Jovelyn
Long way
Gonzaga.
to go.
Rachel is only 26 years old. Nice serve for Dakis. Cases. Dakis will run after this one. Salak, mamimigay ng free ball. Balmaceda. Di makulangan. Sa kabila. Cases, nakasandal. Ang ganda na naman ang depensa ni Guapa.
Gonzaga with a block. And you see that the Philippine Army really is a threat at the net at nahihirapan ang Philippine Air Force to penetrate.
Well, Army is the tallest team in the league.
And look at your frontliners now.
Oh.
Talking about the tallest, you have Bautista, Balse, and Gonzaga.
Dakis is serve work kasi namigay ng free ball and Balse gets that off of De Ramos.
Ito pag pinapanood mo mukhang ang dali, no? Pero hindi po ganyan kadali yan.
Well, if it's one family pizza, it's gotta be shaky. At pugtong to sa kaisipan na marami. Pero si Mary Jean Balse actually started her career as an open spiker.
Oh, yes, she did. Oo. Pero, sanay na sanay tayo. Siyempre, nakikita siya naglalaro in the middle.
Well, the remote control is now heated up. Nakakuha na naman ang service ace si Rachel Andakis and Coach Aying. Wala na magawa. Ubus na timeout niya.
Oo.
Ginagawa na yung R5 para sa second
next set. Oo. Minsan ganun, you let go of this set, kalimutan nyo yan, you come back new in the second.
Grabe. The serve continues to be sharp from Dakis. Gonzaga, combination. Net violation de Ramos.
Wasted point. Looking at the body language of the Philippine Air Force, it seems like they already let go of the first set. Minsan yung ganyan, idikit mo lang, idikit mo man lang.
Wala na. This is 14 set points. Let's see what they can do about this. And si Dakis pa nagsaserve. Pwede. Namigay si Rachel ng isa.
Nudging. Napagod. Nakarami na daw siya. Let's see. Well, they need 1 point close this set. At napakalaki ng lamang nila. So, walang pressure.
And Army wants to rest also. Pag nanalo sila rito, walang laro sa Tuesday.
Ayan.
Bautista. And that'll do it for set number 1. Ganda na simula rin ni Bautista. Service ni Dakis, service ni Sabas, blocking ni Gonzaga, atake ni Balse, setting ni Sala.
Overall game, it's just really good here for the Philippine Air Force. If you take a look at their shakies to shake and play.
Then Bautista, ending it para sa Philippine Army. Set number 2 sa aming pong pagbabalik. Nagkaroon ng service ace dito. So overall, the Philippine Army is just playing like the well-oiled machine na alam natin that they are. Pero yun na nga, Philippine Air Force, may kasagutan pa ba sa second set?
Yan na nga dapat nating hintayin. But I think one thing is for sure, they need to bring it in and bring it on earlier in the second set. Mahirap na yung pressure of catching up nandun na sa side mo, and then you have to think of how to still make those points.
Dakis off the block. As we start set number 2, Mayan Pantino back in the starting lineup at nakagawa agad. So the former AMA Computer College student. Nakakuha ng unang putos.
Oo, at saka to si Mayan actually didn't start out as a starter. Pero really earned her spot here in the starting 6.
This one family pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Iya Yonko is also starting now sa second set para dito sa Philippine Air Force as Di Makulangan serves. Salak, running attack. Jeannie Sabas, nandun si Balmaceda. Dimac, Pantino. Napaganda pa sana yung set pero malakas ang palo ni Mayan.
At nasa ilalim din siya, nalula. Taas ng bola.
Minsan yung mga ilaw din dito, may factor din yun.
Pag tumitingin ka sa taas, syempre, if you take on the approach, if the set is too high, nakatingala kang nakikita mo yung mga ilaw.
Ina Salak with a short serve. Nato si Caballero. Micah Ortiz off the block. Coverage is there para kay Bautista. Kabila, Dakis. Ay, ganda ng depensa ni Iya Yonko.
And probably also one of the reasons why, kahit may rotator cuff injury itong si Yonko, malaking tulong pa rin siya sa blocking.
It's so far still a slight tear, pero alam mo naman yung hapdi nun after the game.
Masakit.
During the game, may adrenaline ka during the game, pero after the game, di ka makakatulog dyan. Jeannie Sabas, dug up there by Di Makulangan. And Yonko on the attack. Pantino versus Gonzaga ba? Nanalo si Pantino. Neneng Tapik! Nakialam. So Neneng Tapik getting the start here in set number 2 in place of Lisa De Ramos. Ganda sabay na sabay yung dalawa no?
Tapik-tapik na yan. Importante din yan.
Living up to her name, si Neneng.
Tapik.
Totoo yan.
Kaya hindi na nag-attempt siya, Tina Salak.
3-1 Air Force. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's Billy. Salak, Gonzaga.
How can you stop that? Napakalinis.
Mukhang mukhang bato sa open kasi yun. Tapos bigla in-intercept na lang ni... Tingnan mo to. Mukhang bato sa open. Oh,
Play naman niya.
Oo. Pero biglang...
Sabi niya, perfect kasi left-handed siya.
Hindi naka-adjust tuloy yung defensa ron. 3-2 in favor of the Philippine Air Force. And now Jeannie Sabas. Serving again. Serving well again. Yonko on the combo. Dito iiwan ngayon para kay Pantino. Nagpalit ng pwesto panandalian si Yonko sa si Pantino. Here's Gonzaga. Tapik down the middle for Neneng.
Maganda ang pasok nitong si Tapik. Maganda yung rotation ng tao na ginawa ni Coach Clarence.
Again, medyo may kalaliman din naman ang bench niya, especially with the entry nito si Neneng Tapik, pati na rin si Iya Yonko, who were the regular starters actually. Pantino on the serve. Salak delays it. And that block goes out from Caballero. So nakagawa na naman ng paraan si Guapa. So Air Force's lead down to 1 once again sa panahon na tagulan ni Wasan Andege. Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Remote control time. Tignan natin kumaandar na naman. Rachel. Allah. D-Mac masyado malapit. I don't think you can consider that a service ace kasi na-receive it.
Yan, na-receive naman. Receive lang.
For all. Rachel Andakis, the number 1 contender sa Best Server Award natin. And you can see why. Ayan na naman. Well,
not to jinx, pero for today, maganda so far ang nakikita nating service mula dito sa Philippine Army.
Naka-recharge ang baterya ng remote control. Kita mo na naman dito.
Kahit sumabit pa sa net. Napaganda pa.
Well, si Rachel pa rin yan. So, ibig sabihin, long serve naman na makikita natin dito. Wala lang natin Parang pitch yan sa baseball
For sure, iaangat niya kasi dumikit sa net
Not by much.
Nag-work naman.
Yonko with a great drop shot. So, Iya Yonko, So, si Yonko again. Ikaw na-experience mo na pala. Sa akin, nakwento na sa akin yung mga rotator cuff injury na yan.
Minsan, hindi mo maiangat.
Pinakoperahan mo rin. Eventually, gumaling ka sa kusa. Hindi ka naman professional
hindi naman. College siya.
Palse gets through.
And it will heal naman. Yun lang, may pahinga siya.
Pero yun na nga, if Air Force wants to make it to the finals, hindi sila pwede magpahinga ngayon.
Oo, tama ka dyan.
Andito na rin sila sa Final Four. Mikasa is the official call of the Shakey's B-League. This is the team that knocked Ateneo out of the Final Four. Salak, Bautista, Caballero, Pantino, Judy once again. Rachel, Tina Salak. Sabit pa sa net ng konti yun.
Yet again, kung kailangan nila ng puntos, sometimes itong si Tina Salak puts matters into her own hands.
Wala talaga, helpless ang defense.
Hindi nila na-anticipate.
Right. Gonzaga. Tapik. Here's Judy Caballero. Naabangan ni Tina Salak. And Tina will watch it go out. Kinabahan si Tina.
Sabi, onting-onti na lang. Inatrasan pa niya.
8-5, 3-point lead for the Lady Troopers. We'll be
pointed out, kailangan nilang simulan sa magandang reception. They will not have options for their attack if they do not have a good first ball. Kailangan din nilang pumwesto ng tama para makapagdepensa ng maayos. Ano, Noel?
Well, na-distract kami sa report ni Ivy dahil napatili si Rachel. Hindi niya
last touch Sabi niya, sayang na-over ko sana.
Natawa si Tinagno. Nabingi yata si Tinagno sa kanya.
Nang hinayang si Rachel.
8-6. Army up by 2. Tapik, Agno, Salak, Bautista. Dug up there by Tapik. Micah Ortiz, Pantino galing sa likod. Hinabol na lang yun ni Gonzaga. And then Bautista with a hitting error. So, 8-7. Dikita tayo dito. Dumadami ng errors ng Army.
Oo, kanina nakita natin first set. Both teams were able to keep it at a minimum of 3.
Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Neneng Topic on the serve. Tina Salak on the dump. Nandun si Pantino. Dimac for Ortiz. What a dig from Jovelyn Gonzaga. Balse gets it across. Caballejo. Eto ngayon si Salak sa kabila. Bautista off the block. Kept alive there by Topic. Caballejo. Ganda ng buwelo. Salak. Dakis. Wala na.
Too strong.
Bukit na matamaan yung first referee natin dun. So, errors upon errors para sa Army. Tabla na tuloy tayo 8-all. Topic now to serve once again. From Jose Maria College in Davao. Salak. Yan, taga Davao din yan. Si King Balse, born and raised.
At nakahanap ng butas sa corner itong si Balse.
So 9-8, Army may kalamangan. King Balse. Sharp serve.
Look at that.
Ilan bang naging best server dito sa side ng Army? Rachel.
Alam mo, na-awardan man o hindi,
Oo.
tinignan mo yung pool of players na meron sila. Yan yung mga
Oo.
malalakas at consistent mag-serve.
Kasi ito si Balse, nag-best server na ito eh.
Oo, very consistent. Ito,
Oo.
Siging kasi consistent.
Yes. 10-8. So if it's not Dakis, it's Balse who's killing you sa serve. Another good one. Iya Yonko gets to that one. Dimac to Ortiz. Nandun si Balse. Sala, combination play. Nene Bautista. Nice block from Mike Ortiz. So 10-9. Ganda ng palag ng Air Force dito sa second set, ha?
Look at this. Ang block na to.
Hindi pala. It's actually Dimac ang nakadali. So if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Salak. Nene Bautista. Pantino. Iya Yonko. Wow, walang lumundag. So Ortiz pinamigay. Salak now, running attack. Gini Sabas. Yonko. Dimac. Pantino.
Oh.
And that is in. Good defense by Tina Salak. So 11-9. Palitan na tao dito. Pantino will sit. The veteran Joy Cases will return as take a look at this last play. Nahawakan nga ni Tina Salak yun at nag-landing.
Konti na lang ilalabas. Tama si Nen kasi dumaan sa ulo niya. It
Right.
could have gone out.
Mali naman ang pwesto niya.
Yun lang. Masyado siya nakapasok sa loob.
Cases, airborne. Salak attacking. Cases one more time.
Oh, malamig pa. Si Joy.
Right. Salak. Back row attack. Jovelyn Gonzaga. Dimac. Ortiz. Opia. Yeah. At Tina Salak o Rachel Andakis ang nakahampas ng net.
Walang reklamo from their side.
Pero bili kayo ng clips kay Rachel. May ribbon, may purple, may iba-ibang kulay. Taga Taytay ito. Alam mo, may tiyanggi sa Taytay eh. Baka may stall siya dun eh. Di ba? 11-10. Oh, what a serve. Dimac. Ayan din. Best server din dati yan.
Ito na. Ito yung mga sinasabi mo na Noel kanina, no? The errors.
Dumadami para sa Army.
Dumadami para sa Philippine Army. Early on this second set.
Hindi sila makalagwa. In fact, tabla ngayon. At 11-all. Dimac once again. Nene. Tina Salak. Tado malapit para kay Rachel. Dumipensa tuloy si Rachel. And that one will go out. So another error against the Philippine Army.
Salak now clarifying something with our official.
Tumawid daw eh. And Coach Rico de Guzman also contesting that last call.
Final call with
Rodrigo Rojas, our first referee. Dimac. Yan ang mga pinakamagandang nickname sa volleyball. Dimac.
athlete na
Salak.
athlete yung dating.
Right. Of course, hiniram kay Tracy McGrady na Dimac. And there is a net violation or crossing violation against Mike Ortiz. 12-all ang ating score. Tina Salak. Kababayan ni Ann Remulla Kanda at ni Ivy Remulla. Bacor, ano?
Yup, Bacoor.
Yonko gives up a free ball. Salak combination. Wow! Jovelyn Gonzaga on the windup.
Yan ang reverse naman ng running attack.
Oo.
Ang kanan, na yung if you're right-handed, you go towards the right. Pag left-handed ka, ang iyong running attack papunta sa gitna. Diba? That's something that you wouldn't normally see.
Well, we see that a lot from this Bionic Guapa. Pati na rin kay Aiza Maiso.
Natin mga expert lefty.
13-12, Lady Troopers. Nice serve from Tina Salak. D-Mac for Ortiz on the quick. Good defense from Jeannie Sabas.
Things picking up here for the Philippine Army.
14-12. Army, nakabante na naman. Kanina, lamang na Air Force yung tatlo. Salak, nilakasan na yung serve. Caballero, Cases, Yonko. Wow. So, Iya Yonko, ngayon, hindi daw masyado masakit after the game. Kikirot na naman yan.
Siyempre, hindi mo mararamdaman. Minsan nga, di ba, yung mga players sprain sa game, babalik sa loob.
Nababalian pa.
Pero, yung mga nababalian, hindi nakakabalik. Pero yung mga sprain,
Yung
di
mga
ba?
ganun, broken foot, naglaro pa rin.
Ibang ano na yun.
Ibang level yun.
Ibang
Yun yung
level.
ibang pain tolerance naman nun. As Gonzaga gets through. Malalaman na lang after the game, ay,
Fractured na pala.
magamaga yung paa mo.
Fractured na
Fractured
pala.
na yung paa. 15-13. So, Jeannie Sabas ngayon. Judy, Rhea, Joy. Andon si King. Nene, Rachel. Lusot si Rachel.
Alanganin pa yun, no? Hindi pa niya natamaan ng saktong-sakto.
Eto na naman. Andakis, hindi masyadong malakas yung kanya tira. Just enough na malin lang yung depensa doon ni Neneng Tapig. As we found our shaky space of the day, yan po siya. Si Maxine Lay Talavera, 15 years old from Pasig City. At meron siyang bagong bag na hanggang ngayon wala pa rin kami ni Anya. Diba?
Kahit pizza muna, pag yung bag. Or pwedeng sabay. Or pwedeng sabay.
Gusto, alam ko na may rason ka na kang ba't ka nagugutom ng madalas eh.
Huwag na kayo magtaka.
Ha?
Oo.
Yonko, wow! Hindi namin si Yonko yung pagka-plastic woman niya that time.
Just using her reach para maipasok ang bola.
So 16-14, baba sa dalawang kalamangan ng Philippine Army. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. May birthday greetings muna tayo. Happy birthday to Paul Dexter Fabregas on August 28 at belated kay Jojo Racelis, pati na rin kay Raquel Gayahan, pareho August 21. Pati na rin sa ating kaibigang si Monica Mangalino on August 26. Ang dami mga August pinapanganak. Of course, Dalia Cruz, happy birthday today. Binati na natin. At King Balse, able to get that one through. Two angles of that shot by King Balse. In between the defense. 17-14 Air Force. Rachel Andakis. Remote control nga ba? Medyo lang. D-Mac. Iya Yonko. Back up by Rachel. Backset ngayon. Nene. Cases, D-Mac, Judy, cross court. Buhay pa rin. Nene, down the line. Kanina puro cross court, ngayon naka-down the line na.
So itong si Nene hinahanap talaga kung saan walang depensa.
At dyan medyo nagiging tagilid yung mga defenders pag kailangan hulaan na. So Rachel Andak is protecting a 4-point lead. Yonko, di makulangan. Caballero, Agno, Salak, Bautista. Ando naman si Judy. Back set, Yonko, off the block. Rachel gets to it. Tina Salak, free ball. D-Mac, wow, what a set by D-Mac Ulangan for Neneng Tapig.
Nice one-hand set. Yun yung magandang timing din, ano?
Oo.
Pag hawak ni D-Mac, he just fed the ball to Tapig. Sakto sa pagtalo ni Tapig. That's
very athletic yung maneuver na ginawa doon. Ito si Rhea Di Maculangan and Neneng Tapig converts easily. And now ito si Wendy Semana sees her first action at usually ito yung trabaho niya talaga. Papasok, magsaserve. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Semana, sharp serve. Opya, lifting, Ging Balse.
Aluson.
Mabilis to si Rodrigo Rojas. Bakit? Ang kanyang may bahay. Ang
Ano lang naman.
pinaka-legendary
Oo.
volleyball player sa palat ng lupa sa Pilipinas. Telma Barina Rojas lang.
Oo. Awarded as Asia's
Asia's
Best Spiker.
best spiker lang naman. Here is Nene Bautista. Good defense by Dina.
Kung nabanggit na rin si Coach Telma, yung panahon nila, yung times na talagang nag-gold,
Yeah.
nakakakuha ng medal.
Gold yun,
Pilipinas.
70s, 80s.
Medal sa SEA Games, kung saan ang international tournament.
Well, the last time we won a medal in the SEA Games was way back in 2005. Na dito pa ginawa yun. Nakinover mo.
Oo.
Yung bronze medal match in Bacolod. With, I believe, our good friend Mark Zambrano.
Yes.
Was also there. Here is Caballejo. Ayun, dito sa Bacolod, ako stuck ako sa Taekwondo. Pinagpo-cover sa 1917. Bumalik ulit on track itong Philippine Army on that attack. So, noong 2005, ginagawa niyo volleyball, pa-hotel-hotel na kayo sa Bacolod.
Pakain-kain.
Pakain-kain. Ako, pa-MRT ako papuntang Rizal Memorial. Cover ng tennis, cover ng lahat. Ako, ganda ng serve dun.
Ito nga, bumabalik.
And even si Jovelyn Gonzaga is able to get an ace of her own.
Sometimes, if you really start with a strong serve, nasisira mo na agad yung diskarte rin ng kalaban.
Well, timeout ngayon, Philippine Air Force.
Ngayon, kinuha mo, hindi mo naman pinandiyan, pinapon mo pa. Hindi ka plus, minus ka. Napakasimple nung bola, pinasok lang. Puta, hindi natin maisip. Ano mangyayari sa atin? Ha? Dude, sigaw pa porsyento ako yung isa. Dapat ikaw na ano. Hindi ka kita ng top 6.
Wala ka tawa ng bola.
Look at that last serve, galing dito kay Jovelyn Gonzaga. At nangamote. Si Balmaceda actually is playing well today. One more look. Bionic Guapa. Diba may sound effects yun dati pag gumigilos yung mga bayon? Tingan. Ano ba yung sound effects mo? Tingan.
Sabayan mo.
Hindi, pag-fight. Jovelyn, sige. Bionic Guapa on the serve. Yan na siya. Tingan. Tawa na naman siya. Manzano off the block. Salak chases it down.
Ball is good.
Semana for Caballejo.
Yun naman, kitang-kita na walang depensa.
Is it just me or parang bumagal ang Philippine Army sa second set?
Well, actually, yun yung nakikita natin ngayon, ano? In the first set, nakikita natin mas maliksi yung galaw. But now, ang naging difficulty is really more on the defense. Sa mga kanilang pwesto.
Topic on the serve. Salak, Bautista, gagabay kasi sa habulin niya ni Manzano. May tatawid niya ni Topic and Topic overshoots.
That has been the right decision. Last minute, binaba yung kanyang kamay na realize niya.
Kinalkulan ni Rachel no?
Nasa likod na ako, tumalon pa ako. Outside na yun. Buti hindi tumama sa kamay niya.
Yun na nga. Or sa kanyang mga clip.
But good call.
21-18. Oh, another service ace. King Balse, nakakarami na rin to dito sa set na to, ha?
Oo, maganda ang service ngayon ng Philippine Army.
Timeout na naman si Coach Aing Esteban. Ngayon, 4 na ang abante ng Philippine Army.
Lalabas ka rin, pwede. Kaya isa lang. Hindi naman pwedeng dalawang trabaho ay dalawang gagawin natin, sabay na ang gagawin natin. Receive, taas mo, para bumagal. Taas mo, tsaka kalagpas ako. Okay? Lumalayo sila eh, nahabol natin kasi magpapalayo ulit tayo. Ha? Receive lang problema natin. Wala tayong problema sa paluan. Receive ang problema natin.
And again, the serve of King Balse. Dying serve once again. At hindi naman nagkaabot si Balse at saka si Caballero sa UST, ano? Pero
but
hindi
I'm
na
pretty
experience,
sure
oo.
may mga ibang practice games or tune-up games na
Sumisipot si Ging.
Oo. Sila Ging.
22-18. And that's a nice thing about the UST program, ano? Kahit na wala na sila, sa college, they will come back to try to inspire the next generation.
Actually, in most of the schools, you'll find na ganun siya. No? Even in Ateneo, in Lasal, yung mga alumni na talaga yan
But
bumabalik.
we're talking about some of the best players in the country na nasa UST. Babalik ka pa naman sa programa mo. King Palsi lang naman, Venus Bernal lang naman, Anggeta Baquero lang naman, Aiza Maiso lang naman, Roxanne Pimentel lang naman. Ang dami. Rede Makulangan na late.
Hindi nakapag-sub.
Hindi nakapag-sub. And a drop shot coming from Jeannie Sabas. Palitan na tao dito. So this will turn Wendy Semana into a spiker. Nasa likod pa naman si Wendy, ano?
But of course, alam naman natin, we've seen Wendy in her college days,
Ay,
how
oo.
versatile she is as a player, na talagang setter, spiker, malilito ko na lang kung anong pwesto nila.
Ang finals MVP na UAP
Oo.
yan. Salak at si Sabas nagbanggaan.
Hindi naabot ni Gonzaga.
Pwede pa ito para sa Air Force, ha?
Of course, Philippine Army is just leading by 3 points at hindi pa naman sarado itong set na to.
Iya Yonko will return more height in front now for the Air Spikers. And Dimac now to serve. What a serve from Dimac. Bumalik sa side ng Air Force. Quick set, Micah Ortiz. Salak, Rachel, and that one drops in. So Duck is playing very well. Now giving Army 4 set points. Ayan, Tina Salak serving for the set. The veteran from Bacoor. Parang pitcher, ano, hinihintay yung signal galing sa bench.
Si short serve.
Dakis, umatras na si Caballero, nakuha naman niya. Yonko. Salak kept it alive. Bagsak si Yonko. Here's Gonzaga off the hands of Classes. Ganun lang kasimple.
Look at that.
Despite being slow, nakuha pa rin ng Army ang set number 2.
Pero ang maganda dyan yung teamwork din na nakita natin kasi bawat isa, kahit na sabi mo nga mabagal, no? Pero gumalaw pa rin. As we take a look at our shake and play, that last point from Gonzaga.
We'll be right back as the Bionic Ilongga goes. Ting,
Philippine Air Force, but still was just not enough dahil pati yung ibang breaks ng yun napunta rin sa Philippine Army.
Yung mga ganong off-speed na miss-hit ni Dakis, pumapasok pa rin.
At saka yung mga ganito na pinadaan sa blocker.
Right. So again, Philippine Army just needs one more set to make it into the finals. Now, knowing Philippine Air Force, itataya buwis buhay ng gagawin nila rito.
Oo. Siyempre, because final chance to extend this match and magkaroon pa ulit ng isa pang laro kung sakasakali. Pero iba naman din ang goal din itong Philippine Army. Sabi nga ni Tina Salak, nakakapagod kung kaya matapos yung straight set. Or the lesser the set they play, the better for them.
And they will have a few days off if they achieve that. Otherwise, Joy Cases has other plans. Otherwise, maglalaro ulit sila ng Game 3. Sila na lang ang maglalaro kasi pasok na Cagayan Valley.
Tama.
Cagayan Valley is now waiting. Alam mo, in the history of the Shakey's B-League pala, sa Open, nagsimula tayo 2011, hindi pa pala nagtatagpo sa finals ang Army at sa Cagayan Valley.
So it would be very interesting.
Oo.
Diba? Kung sakaling yun ang magiging match-up at mananalo ang Philippine Army ngayon.
So take a look at history as that's 4 goals para dito kay Jeannie Sabas. 2011 was the first Open Conference na napanalunan nga ng Philippine Army. At ang 2012 naman, ang nanalo ay Sandugo. Umabot din sa finals naman ng Cagayan Valley. Hindi nag-finals doon. Tinalo na Sandugo yung Philippine Army to make it to the finals. In 2013 naman, last year, yung Spark Maynilad naman ang tumalo sa kupunan ng Philippine Army para umabot naman sila sa final. And Cagayan Valley, of course, had a perfect season. As we take a look at this service ace from Jeannie Sabas.
Talagang may swerte sa service line ngayon ng Philippine Army.
So 2014, ang katanungan, will we finally see that matchup? Nasabi ng Air Force, muna kayong ganyan. May third set pa.
Oo, hindi pa tapos ang laban.
Iya Yonko, that was out but it was checked at the net.
Well, right now, Noel, the players of the Philippine Air Force should produce more points. So nakikita natin yung disparity at this point, no? top scorers for all temps, Caballero with 5, Yonko and Ortiz with 4, as compared to Philippine Army na si Gonzaga nasa 11 points na, Balse and Dakis both with 8.
Well, Dak is keeping this one alive. Salak will give it up. Yonko, Timac, and Neneng Tapik, check ball. So ito na naman, maganda simula na naman ng Philippine Air Force. Ang katanungan yung end game na lang. And if it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Mike Ortiz. Agno, Salak, Gonzaga, Yonko, kabila, Cases, nakaabang si Jovelyn Gonzaga. So the Bionic Guapa can do no wrong. Tied at 3. And again, gusto lang gawin ni Cases, itawid na lamang yun eh. Rachel Ann Dakis, back at the service line.
Serve.
A good reception there from Caballero. Yonko. Wow! Again, Yonko looks like she's going one way. Biglang liliko.
At doon sa pagkakataon na yun, the ball landed in the middle at talagang walang depensa ang Lady Troopers.
In Agno on your screens right now. Nagkamot ng ulo after that. 4-3 Air Force. Cases. Gonzaga. Salak. Balik kay Jovelyn.
Oh, look at that wind up.
May lakad yata si Guapa ngayon Nagmamadali for all. And here's the wind up that Andre Mullacanda just described.
Look at that, yung pull nung kanyang arm, ano?
Again, yung mga play na gano'n, this is a Kung Fu Reyes play.
Oh, pero alam mo yung hindi natin binabanggit dyan, credit that point also to Balse that he made the blockers commit nung siya ay nag-approach, leaving Gonzaga free.
Good serve there coming from Jovelyn Gonzaga. Caballero, turned back by Salak. Di makulangan, Tapik, turned back by Balse. One more time for Judy. Nailusot na niya kay Tina Salak this time.
Tina natawa na lang dun. At nang hinayang.
At Tina alam kung anong parating. Problema dun, hindi naman niya napigilan.
Oo.
Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Light Tiger Katola gamitin proudly Philippine-made. Iya Yonko. Tina Salak, quick set to Balse, turned back there by Tapik. Tina Salak, ha? Saan ka pa?
Again, Salak, prior to her being a setter, isa po siyang
quicker
siya.
Sa national team na lang naging setter yan
national team na lang naging setter.
Pero na sa FU yan, Gitna nila laro. Nag-convert nga sa kanya si Coach August Santa Maria. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League.
Konting patikim ni Tina Salak yun. Ano yung past life niya.
Did not cross. So 6-5. King Balse ngayon. Speaking of Coach August, yun yung isa sa mga produkto rin ni Coach August. From the University of Santo Tomas. Wow. What a serve.
And Philippine Air Force talagang nahihirapan, ano?
And so Philippine Army, they just want to put it away. Take a look at that one again. Galing dito kay Balse. Bigla na lang namatay yung kanya serve.
Service reception being a bit of a trouble here for the Air Women.
Because it's the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Another good one from Balse. Timac, Caballero. Ando si Balmaceda. Timac, Tapik. Wow, Neneng Tapik dinaan sa lakas kahit si Balse nangamote doon.
I would think yun ang kailangan ngayon ng Philippine Air Force. They need to surprise itong Philippine Army a bit with yung mga faster plays.
Right.
Kaya lang nagkakaproblema nga sila sa first ball.
First ball lang talaga pagdating sa reception saka sa digging. Although si Rhea has been doing a really good job chasing everything down. Second ball, service ace from Neneng Tapik. So may pulse pa rin na pinapakita rito itong Philippine Air Force. Yeah, take a look at this one more time. Bawi lang.
Nakakarami na daw ng service ace naman kasi ang
Rachel,
Army.
akala mo, ano talagang madadaganan eh.
Ay,
That
naku,
time.
kinulang.
Oo. Topic did not get that one through. So, 1-point lead for Philippine Army.
Kailangan they have more aggressiveness and they have more intensity and while they play. He also reminded them that Gonzaga has been scoring several points and they were not able to adjust their positions, especially in their blocking. Huwag nilang pababayaan na isang blocker lang ang nagbabantay sa mga atake ng Lady Troopers. For the Lady Troopers, pinaalalahanan lang sila na kailangan tsagain lang nila sa loob ng court, especially sa defense. They are up by 2 sets, so hindi nila dapat mag-relax. Ano, Noel?
Well, kung gusto nilang matapos kagad ito, wala nang relax.
Oo.
Oh, diin nyo na kagad. But Air Force still wants to extend this. Judy Caballero.
But the good thing about what the Philippine Air Force is doing is kung titignan natin yung stats ngayon, no, lamang sila pagdating sa atake. 6 attack points as compared to only 3 of the Philippine Army.
At lamang na po ang Philippine Air Force on that block for Micah Ortiz. Caballero, malakas. 9-all dito sa ating third set. And now Tina Salak to serve for the Philippine Army. Sharp serve from Tina Salak. Tina Salak all around brilliant sa laban na ito. Pati yung kanyang napakatalim na serve. Ayan, no? Pinball. Yung nangyari doon. Hindi naman bumagsak yung bola. 4 touches lang.
But still, nag-umpisa sa nahirapan yung team.
Again, another good serve. And Di Makulangan cannot do anything about that. So, 11-9. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Light Tiger Katolang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Tina Salak once again. Looking for the sign. Parang baseball talaga eh. Another service ace for Corporal Tina Salak. At timeout na maaga. Ito si Coach Aying Esteban. Biglang 3 puntos ng abante ng Philippine Army.
Meron sa record na yan. Bakit hindi natin na-record yung bolo na yan? Ano yung tayo natin kahapon? Kasi, tayo natin kayo naman sa lahat. Saka hindi naman ngayon, hindi pa rin natin nagagawa. Ano ba problema sa record na yan?
Paano naman makakaset si Rhea pag wala talaga first ball?
Oo, yun ang mahirap, ano? Nagandad.
May halos swerte na rin yun. Pero again, if the formation was right, masasagip pa sana ang Leon. 12-9. Salak again.
Look at that. Yung reception, di pa rin pumupunta kay Rhea. No?
Right. Dakis. Wow!
Everything is just going right for the Lady
Alam ko na.
Troopers.
Gusto na lang ipanalo ito. Birthday gift nila kay Dalia Cruz.
Tama rin naman yun.
Oo.
Makapag-celebrate sila ng maaga.
Sabi nga ng coach ko, ano, papasok na ba si birthday girl? Last point. Dakis getting that one down the line. Parang nahiya pa siya sa ginawa niya. Tina Salak, kahapon pa nagsaserve.
Ayan tuloy, narinig ka. Mamaya aabangan ka niya. Zinix mo yung serve niya.
Always. Diba? Always. Oh, ngayon may bago na kayo pagbibintang sa akin. Hindi na ako hari ng 5 sets. Hari naman ako ng sablay sa serve.
Better yet, both.
Ganun ba yun? Hindi,
5 sets.
Pinaghirapan ni Seb yung kanya.
Sa serve.
Pinaghirapan ni Seb yun. Ang tagal na niyang inipon yun. Pero again, Mia Kalim is one of the reasons why these things happen. But wala na naman si Mia Kalim. 13-11.
Here to put the blame on the people who are not here.
Oo. Well, Rhea Di Makulangan ngayon. 2 puntos po ang abante rito ng Philippine Army. Makakabawi ba si Rhea sa mga service aces ni Tina Salak kanina? Salak. Sabas. Pagsak si Gonzaga. One more time around for Jeannie Sabas. Tima, quick set to Micah Ortiz. Ito si Bautista. Salak. Back is blocked there by Yonko. Back set. Gonzaga on the push and she will miss. Umiwas yung mga blockers bigla.
Oo, nakitang...
Pa-check na dapat eh.
Saka yung bola kasi papunta na ng antena eh. So, gagawa na lang ng paraan yun. If, you know, Philippine Air Force will do something about this at gusto nilang makuha itong set na to. They have to do it now. At talagang lamangan itong Philippine Army.
Good serve again coming from Di Maculangan. Oh, and Jamaica Ortiz puts it away. So again, bumabawi na si Rhea. Magaganda serve ni Tina Salak kanina. Ngayon, it's Di Maculangan's turn. And look at the score. Tied at 13. So Di Maculangan will continue to serve. And that one goes out. Yung mga buktong talaga. Ang ganda na service, biglang point. May lalabas. And now this brings up Jeannie Sabas from the University of San Jose Recoletos in Cebu. The San coach. Of course, si Coach Grace Antigua.
Oh, now it's going to be an exchange.
Wala na ako sinasabi, ha?
Wala ka naman nga sinabi.
Binabati ko lang yung kanya college coach. Pati ba naman yun, issue pa.
Baka yun yung dahilan kung bakit nag-outside.
Wala na. Yun talaga, wala na pinag-usapan.
Ito parang what is happening? A series of service errors.
Si Rachel na to. Pag ito si Rachel nahawa dyan, epidemic na yan.
Let's see if she can break that series of service errors.
3 straight service errors. This one is in. Dimac going to Iya Yonko. Lakas. Ang tira ni Yonko. 16-14 Philippine Army. 2-point lead sa ating second technical timeout. We'll be right back. Conference. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik, Noel Zarate. Kasama po ang Remulla Sisters. As Joy Casas tries to drop one in. Nene Bautista. Iya Yonko. Backset ngayon, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Kept alive by Caballejo. Topic. Cases, cross court. Long rally. Salak. Bautista. Off the block. Di Maculangan. Yonko sa kabila. Cases! Nalit si Nene.
Cases making that point just in time.
Pasara na yung blockers eh.
Oo.
Ayan,
Nalate
hindi
ng
sabay.
konti
Nalit
sa
Siging.
Siging.
16-15. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Line Tiger Katolang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Bautista, cross court. Balmaceda is there. Di Maculangan, going to Caballejo. Caballejo down the line.
The Air Women.
Air Spikers.
Air Spikers. Yung puntos, kung kailan kailangan, doon din nila na ibibigay.
16 all. So, kung may lakad itong Philippine Air Force, baka maantala yan. Pagkakahabol pa itong Philippine Air Force and take set number 3. Cases. Agno. Salak. High set.
Sabi niya, teka lang.
May resulta kagad. So, now Guapa will serve. Nakikita natin dito, kahit na mababa pa yung reception, nagawa pa rin ang paraan ni Tina Salak yon. Gonzaga. Running attack. Iya Yonko. So, not just yet, sabi ng Air Force. Running attack here coming from Iya Yonko. And again, pag si Iya Yonko, maganda set na ibigay mo sa kanya. Tusok yan. Yonko now serving. Agno, Salak, Bautista. And that is a good strike from Nene.
Look at this. Matindi na rin yung palitan, nag-uunahan.
Right. Ball set to serve. If it's on Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Former MVP. Two-time MVP, if I may add.
Great serve there by Balse. Nice floater, forcing that error on Yonko.
1917 Army. Sila na ba maglalaban ng Cagayan Valley? Or will Army Keep it close and pull the rug dun sa dulo. Balsi again. This time it's long.
Good read by the Philippine Air Force.
1918. Naman pa rin ang isa, ang Lady Troopers. Palitan na tao, then ang topic will sit when the Semana will return. Now Semana, the captain, hindi na makakasab ito si Jen Manzano. Mamaya na daw. Combination now for Salak. Sabas keeping it alive. Bautista. Nilusot na naman sa depensa ni Ortiz at hindi pakulangan.
At lahat yun, madalian din yung galaw, no? For
Right.
Philippine Army.
Now, Jen Manzano will check in momentarily para dito kay Rhea Di Maculangan.
Some adjustments. Semana now on the setting duties here for Philippine Air Force.
Right. Semana. Salak now going to Dakis off the block. 21-18. Time out Air Force.
Dapat isara mo yung down line, doon na tayo mag-block sa down line. Kasi formation, nato ka sa dulo kasi pinalitan ito sa ball, nato ka sa dulo. Jen, open striker. Tama na dyan. Tapos, portion ko na ito sa meron na ulit. Pag maganda, ibigay mo, substitute, huwag mong paluin ng direct. Lalo mo pa yung direct. Pag na-check ball talaga, angat sa angat. Ngayon, pag na-retrieve nila, dapat nila sa open. Kaya na, mag-block ka na doon sa dulo. Sara mo na yung down line, hayaan mo ulit namin yung top.
Take a look at this last play once again. Coming from Rachel Landakis. Ginamit ang kamay ni Judy Caballejo para makapuntos. One more time around para dito kay Rad. Ang tawag sa kanya. Rad, Rachel Landakis. 21-18. Nene Bautista now. Good serve. Very good serve. Service ace for Nerissa Bautista. Jenna Andaya will check in for Ia Yongko, so more support sa reception.
Let's see, minsan nasa balasa rin yan ng tao. Let's see kung if these 6 players on the floor will do the job.
Micah Ortiz ng gulat. Pwede pa ito para sa Philippine Air Force, ha? 22-19. Balasa ng tao. Papasok na naman si Di Maculangan to replace Manzano.
Hindi pa tapos itong set na we've seen cases like these. Kaya-kaya pang humabol na ng Philippine Air Force.
Caballejo now serving. Dakis airborne. Caballejo. Dimac. Papunta kay Cases. Cross court. Nandun si Agno. Salak going to Dakis once again.
Oh!
May check ball ba? Wala.
No check.
Mahina best actress sa job doon ni Rachel
Inunahan
Andakis.
ni Shelle. Hindi sumang-ayon ang ating first referee.
22-20. Dikit pa rin po ito. Caballejo with the serve. Agno. Salak. Running attack. Sabas. And Sabas finds the line.
Salak again doing a great job in calling the shots.
Iba-iba talagang aatake pag siya eh.
Oo. Kita mo well distributed yung kanyang
Right.
mga plays. And it's evident actually and in the score, ano, pag titignan mo yung mga top scorers.
Oh, Tina Salak chokes on her serve.
At kung kanina napakaganda ng kanyang service, hinapos.
Ia Yongko will return. Air Force still trying to make a run at this one. Dimac, bumalik sa service line. Hinga na malalim muna para dito kay Rhea Di Maculangan. Good serve. Salak. Gonzaga, dug up there by Dimac. Cases. Dimac going to Ia Yongko off of Dakis. Sa likod, Gonzaga nakapangan that time. Timeout, Philippine Army. Isa na lang kanilang kalamangan.
Madaling paluin yung bola. Kumanong ka muna ng maayos, saka ka mag-isip kung saan mo sa pwedeng dalhin. Pwedeng down the line, no? Huwag ka magmadali, na. Okay, isang magandang kita, isang magandang play. Ha?
Isa na lang po ang hinahabol rito ng Philippine Air Force as we take a look at that great defensive jump by Joy Cases on Jovelyn Gonzaga. And again, another angle.
Philippine Air Force, of course, still not giving up on this third set. Hindi pa naman nga tapos yung laban.
Oo.
Kaya pa nilang habulin to.
Isipin mo yung ginawa nyong habol just to make it to the Final Four. You had to defeat Ateneo. Pero yun na nga, they need to play flawlessly from here on in. Gonzaga, kept alive. Salak, Dakis, yes!
Getting the right set.
And that will bring up match points for the Philippine Army. Is this a date with Cagayan Valley? Yun ang katanungan. Serving for the match, Jeannie Sabas. Pataas yung kanya serve. Dimac, running attack, Ortiz. Salak. Gonzaga will set for Balse. And Balse comes it in. Ang ganda ng beta doon. Akala titirahin yung second ball ni Gonzaga. Sends it to Dakis. And the Philippine Army makes it to the final. And for the first time since the Shakey's Feeling Open Conference began, maglalaban po sa finale ang Philippine Army and Cagayan Valley. Take a look at our shake and play right here. Hinulog na lamang. Great fake by Jovelyn Gonzaga to make that happen. And of course, from another angle, we will have our player of the game when we return.